So we decided to do a little Memorial Day action, or a little Memorial Day weekend action by celebrating with a few fireworks. I'm gonna start it off with a little fountain, maybe a couple fountains. I kind of like that. That's pretty sweet. Oh, she's still going now.
Yes. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's not bad. I like it.
Uh-oh. Oh.
You are not.
Me of Vegas there.
Vegas.
Vegas, yeah. Red and white and sparkly light.
Maybe we have some drunk people in the background here.
Look at the purple. The purple.
Yeah, that thing's pretty sweet. I like it.
That's codeine rain.
I actually like that fountain.
Fountain, dude.
That is good.
That is a serious fountain. Pretty gnarly.
All right, we're coming in with fountain number 2. Happy Memorial Day weekend, everyone.
It's a fountain party.
A fountain party.
Yeah, dude.
You can't have a fun weekend without fireworks now. That's just how it
Oh,
works.
here we go. Oh, baby.
But if I didn't share, what kind of a person would it be?
That's right.
Hit it, boy!
That one's nice too. It gets up pretty high.
Oh shit. Blip, 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 blip. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. Come on, baby. Come on.
It's bright, ain't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that golden fucking shower. The gold shower.
Hey, language, son, language. No, it's okay. It's a party here, alone.
Jacob, we'll jump through it back and forth a few times.
Oh, it's loud, don't it? Wow. I like that. I believe that fountain was made by
fountain?
Black Cat.
Wow.
And I don't remember what the name of the other one was.
That's just pretty fucking sweet, dude.
Alright, so that's the end of the fountain action. We got a cake coming up, 200
We
grammer.
got cake?
Yeah, man, we got cake.
You gotta go further down.
Yeah,
We'll get right back with you.
Alright,
Alright, we're getting ready to put a little bit of mortar action up.
Hurry up like a douche. Oh! Woohoo!
Whoa, now.
Oh, yes. Get it, son. Yeah! Yes! Boom!
Those are sweet.
Super powerful.
Trying to get them in there, but they're,
Small cake. Yeah!
hopefully you guys can get the gist of what just happened there.
That's perfect.
We're going to have a little more action. Oh.
Yeah.
This next mortar was one that we didn't launch last year. We weren't sure that this mortar was going to be kosher because it seemed like it was made a little awkward. But we're going to try it in this other tube and attempt to launch this thing. So I know nobody could see anything, but you will here momentarily. Okay, he put a really long fuse on that because we weren't sure what this thing was going to do. So we're about to find out. So bear with me, people. Bear with me. I'll try to get this all in the screen if possible. I'm backing way up over to the side of the house so I could try to get a good shot of this when it goes off. I'm no genius cameraman. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. I think this is an Excalibur shell or it's something similar. But we'll know here in a minute. Fuse is almost through. But we just wanted to make sure we were far enough back when this thing went off, because it could go off in the tube. It very well could. It's getting close. It's getting close. Getting close. Almost there. Damn, that's a long fuse. I guess the anticipation might be worth it. Oh, here it goes. Oh, she was a beaut. She was a beaut, Clark. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna switch to camera view. These are.
And we gotta honor Dustin Austin this week.
These are a Nishiki shell. I believe they might be Legend fireworks. But if you've not had Nishiki shells, you definitely got to have some. These are pretty righteous shells. I'm going to zoom out. Hopefully we can get a good shot of this one. Sorry that up to now my camera angle wasn't the best. All right. That was nice. That was nice. All right, I believe we have like 6 of these shells. So there's a few more. We're gonna keep filming. Hopefully everybody out there is having a good Memorial Day weekend. We're just kind of chilling with family. We didn't have any special plans of any kind. We just made a trip to the local fireworks shop, spent a few bucks, about 60 or 80 bucks to be exact, and decided to come out back, do a few fountains, and do a cake, and do these Nishiki shells. Hopefully so far you're enjoying the video, but here goes the next one. I'll try and get it as it goes up. Nice. Nice. Those are quality shells, man. Those are quality shells. All right. We got another one coming down the pipeline. Fire in the hole. Nice. Nice. These are loud. I don't know if the sound on my camera phone is depicting how loud they really are, but it's like thunder over here. It really is for some consumer grade stuff. It sounds like some sort of insane thunder when it goes off. It is definitely nice. These will probably end up in my 4th of July show. This year is not going to be as spectacular because I can't get everything I want due to all the shortage issues. But we're going to get some stuff, and hopefully I can get some more of these shells because these were really nice. So he's getting ready to load another one up. Oh, where's it at? All right, we got a spark. Nice. All right, looks like we're probably getting close to the last 1 or 2 shells. All right. Man, that is nice. That is nice. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. It may not sound like we got a lot of cheering going on, but it's only 4 of us tonight. So we're just kind of having a chill evening. Was that it?
Yeah.
All right, that was it. Thanks for watching, folks. Happy Memorial Day weekend.